How to solve MMS messages not showing on your iPhone. If messaging is not showing on your iPhone, then first of all what you need to check is if you have inserted a SIM on your device or not. Check by scrolling down the control center. On the top you will see the SIM card. If it is not inserted, then MMS messages will not be shown. The other thing you can do is simply take out the SIM card and reinsert it. It might also sometimes help to solve this issue. The other thing and the last option you can do is press the volume up button and side button and then 3 seconds and then again open your device. This will surely solve your problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.